Hi guys, welcome to my channel iNetwork 365, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Primavera P6 20.12. So the first step what you have to do is you have to go to the following link. I will leave this one in the description. Okay, so this is the website. It's edelivery.oracle.com. So I'm going to go to this website. Okay, so once you navigate to this website, so click on sign in, and in case let me show you one more thing. In case if you don't have an account, you can create an account. It's just for free. So after creating the account, you can click on sign in. So since I already created the account, so I'm going to ignore that step. So from here you can type your email address and your password. So I'm going to enter my email address and password. Okay, so from here what you can do is just type Primavera and type P6. So here you can see Primavera P6 Professional Project Management. So this is what we're going to download and install. So you have to click this. Okay, so here you can see all the versions which are available, which is 16.2, 17.12, 18.8 and 19.12, and the latest one is the top one, which is 20.12. So once you click this one, then you can see here in the top view items. So click on that and click continue. Okay, so you will see this page. So from here again click continue, accept the license agreement, and click again continue. So from here you can see the first option, the Primavera P6 Professional Application. So this is the one. So what you have to do is you have to click the first option. So after clicking that, so it will download. So since I already downloaded, I'm going to ignore this step. So this is the file which I already downloaded. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to right click and extract. Okay, I have already extracted it. Okay, so once you extract the file, you can see this folder. So open this folder and you can see P6 Pro and the version. So double click this, and here once again you have to extract the WinRAR file, and this is the software, P6 Professional Setup. So double click on this. Okay, so here there is two options. One is typical and advanced. So for now we are going to select the first option and click OK, click install and click yes. Okay, so now it is asking to configure the database. So click OK. Okay, so here you can see it is giving an option to create the database in a new window. So under the driver type, click on this and select standalone, because what we're going to do is we're going to just install in your PC as a standalone database. So this is not connected to the server or anything, it's just installed only in your PC. So I'm going to select this standalone, and here you can give a database name. So I'm just going to give I'm just going to leave it as default database, and here you have to select the second option because we are going to create a new database. So click next. Okay, so here if you want to do any changes you can do it, for example like username admin, and your personal name, for example you can just type any name here, your personal name, and you can type the password. So here I'm going to type a password, and if you want to do any other changes you can do it, but for now I'm not going to do any changes. I'm just going to leave it as default. So I'll click next. And if you want to change the location as well, I mean the database location, you can change from here. So again, I'm going to click save and OK. So now I will close this and I'll click my start. And here you can see my P6 software, or else you can just type here P6 and you will see P6 Professional 20. So click on that. So here I'll just type my default username, which is admin, and the password which I have given, and I'll click connect. Okay, so now it is giving a message prompting to select an industry because by default it is not selected. So once I log in, I have to select the industry. So I'm going to click OK. Okay, after logging to P6, I'm going to select the industry. So I'm going to click on admin and I'm going to select admin preference. So from here you can see there's an option called industry over here. And here you can see nothing is selected. So for example, if you are working in construction environment, so you can select the first one, or else you can select according to your needs. So in this case, I'm going to select the construction and I'm going to click OK. So now it's selected and that's all. Then after that, the next option is click on edit and click user preference. So from here you can see if you want to change any password for your login, so you can click on password and you can change your password here. Okay then, so that's all about this video and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So as usual, please subscribe and like my videos. Thank you.